Hello friends and welcome to today's video. If you are looking to use Mount Buller in your home, then stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to share what LRV this color has, what undertone it has, and what are the best whites to pair up with this color. So let's start. The first thing we're going to do when we are working with the color and we want to test it is always have a white background, pure white from Dulux, which is vivid white, because it has no undertone. You always need to compare color to another color in order to see what undertone this color has. So this is a Mount Buller, and when we put it next to a vivid white, we can definitely see there is a huge difference. So you can see the lovely contrast. So what is the LRV of this color? It's 71. What is that telling us? It's telling us that this color has a lot of brightness, but it also has enough depth to be used in an open space living. This color loves light, so if you have an open space living with a lot of natural light, it will look so warm and inviting. It's an absolutely beautiful color. What is the undertone? That is the key to success. The undertone is a gray with a green undertone. Beautiful, timeless, flexible undertone that works like a dream in our open space living. However, we need to be careful because we need to identify other undertones that you have in your space. So if you are renovating your home or building a new home, we need to see what your kitchen cabinets are, what your stone is. Do you have floor tiles? Do you have any other stone in your space? All these fixed elements are very important. They all have undertones, and we need to see how will they work, or will they work at all with Mount Buller. So you can't just take this color and put it on a wall. There's a lot of other things to consider. If you want to know how to choose color selection with confidence in 10 easy steps, I have created an online course where I teach you step by step how to do all that. So feel free to check in description below and see if that is for you. Now let's check what whites are the best for this color. So you can definitely use vivid white. And why is that good? Because it's giving you a flexibility. It has no undertone, so you can bring another undertone into your space and it will create that lovely contrast. However, gray with the green undertone, really they love warm whites. So there are two warm whites that I would recommend to use with this color. One, it's called white polar quarter. So I'm going to show you really lovely warm color. So this is your white polar quarter, this is your Mount Buller. As you can see, they work really well together. And my favorite that I would use, but again we would need to test your space, it's called Casper white quarter. This color works like a dream. It has lots of warmth, but it works really well with this color. So those are the whites that I would use. That is it for this video today, and tomorrow I will share what other neutral paint colors you can incorporate with this color and what other accent colors you can use with this color. So see you in tomorrow's video. Ciao for now.